This video is for friends who like to do it themselves. First, make a mold and make a face. You don't have to adjust your mouth. The body mold forgot to take a video. Chatting, I especially liked dolls when I was a child, but I couldn't afford to buy them. Many years have passed and I still stay in that time when I liked dolls. Forgive me for drawing a little rough. Because she is too young, it is a little troublesome to draw, but I think I draw well. Just put the toner on your mouth. I passed by here, because I don't think I can see the balcony. Adios. It's okay from a distance. The fiftail looks uneven, because it doesn't want to be wasted, and it has long and hard clay in it. Just put all kinds of bits you like here. You can put some glue on it if you are afraid of dropping it. I cut this bit from some unwanted cloth. There is no need to put bits on the back. Block the link with a chain, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. This is resin clay, translucent. The fiftail glistened in the sun. Press the head to see the effect. Look at it from an angle. Gypsum powder is mixed in proportion. Blue is seawater. Of course, beaches with mermaids need pink. Sprinkle salt as sand. Make a dividing line, like a small stone washed ashore by the sea. How can we lose pearls and shells? Spray is made of quick-drying gypsum powder. I put it a little late, and the plaster is a little dry. Remember to wear gloves when you operate.